morning, welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, my name's Lesley-Ann and I have been to Aldi and I'm going to do a review on this, on the Lacura Pink Clay Hot Cloth Cleanser. Now I've used the original one they had, the first one they had, I think it was in blue. I've used that one and that was a really good dupe for the Lizelle Cleansing Polish, which I also have. So I'll just show you that I have this one. So there you go, that's the one from Lizelle. I use that from time to time along with other things that I'm using. I bought this, I'm going to give it a go. It also comes with the muslin cloth, exactly like the Lizelle one does. I also picked up the Pink Clay Exfoliating Face Scrub, so I'm going to try that one as well. And just to complete the range, I've got the Purifying Pink Clay Mask, so I'm going to try that one as well. So, first things first, I've had my shower, so my hair's washed under here, so I thought now's a great time to try this. Just going to pop my Day Mednas on, specially formulated to gently cleanse and exfoliate with the help of the exfoliating muslin cloth with cocoa butter, pink clay, Australian Kakuda plum and extracts of bamboo, macadamia, mango esteem and pomegranate. This rich formulation effectively removes makeup and gently cleanses, revealing naturally healthy looking skins, sensitive skins as well. Dermatologically tested, but with the Lacura items they're all cruelty free internationally. There you go. So you can't really ask for more than that. So let's have a look then. 200 mils in here. So I'm just going to squeeze it out, look, and it's a very pale pink. Not really, a little bit of a smell, but not like a clean smell. Maybe sort of a spa smell, but I'm using you guys to guide me. Now it's going onto my skin. It smells more and it smells amazing. It smells like aromatherapy oils or something. It smells lovely. What I'm thinking is this is actually going onto my face a lot better than the Lizelle one. The Lizelle one sort of sits on there a little bit more. It's a bit thicker. That one, in comparison to the other one that they do, the blue one as well, this is definitely gently melting into the skin. Oh, I'm actually really liking this. Okay, let's rinse it off. I'm going to take it off with the muslin cloth, like they say. Really nice. Smooth. It feels really lovely. I prefer this one to the original one that they did. And I'm actually, so far, I know it's the first time I've used it, but so far I'm preferring it to the Lizelle one. And wow, price wise, you know, no comparison. Okay, let's go on to the exfoliator. I'm just going to stick my Day Mednas on again. So what does it say about this one? This dual action exfoliating face scrub and mask absorb oil and help to refine pores. Cruelty free internationally there. Where are we looking there? Directions for use. Apply to cleansed wet skin and massage for 30 seconds. Then rinse off with warm water to use as a scrub. Alternatively, leave on for 5 minutes to use as a mask. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. For best results, use twice a week. So my face is still damp. I'm just going to go over it with my muslin cloth just to dampen it up a little bit more. Okay, so 100 mils in here of this one. Let's get this one out then. So just going to go with that amount at the moment. And oh, no. Oh, this smells, oh my gosh, amazing. It smells just like the hot cloth cleanser, but a lot more concentrated. It's, oh wow, it's lovely. And it's very gentle. So you can feel, you definitely can feel the little beads in there. But they're not harsh or anything. But, oh, that feels really nice. Right, I'm gonna rinse it off. Oh, so there we are, that's that all rinsed off. I'm just gonna pat over my face with the muslin cloth. Just so I can talk to you without it all dripping down. Oh, that feels lovely. Really nice. Very impressed with that one. Okay, let's have a look at the mask then, shall we? Detoxifying and brightening, purifying pink clay mask, 60 grams in here, dermatologically tested, cruelty free, and what does it say? So, Lacura Purifying Pink Clay Mask is formulated with extracts of exotic Australian Kakadu plum and witch hazel, designed to help draw out impurities and refine pores for a clearer and brighter complexion. Directions for use: using brush included, bonus. Apply an even layer of Lacura Purifying Pink Clay Mask to clean, dry skin and allow to wipe for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water to reveal a brighter and radiant glow. For best results, store at room temperature and use only 1 to 2 times a week. Brush in its little pouch. Look at that, that's really cute, isn't it? You don't always get those when you buy masks. So that's what the actual tub looks like. The face is dry now, it's just naturally dried. So let's start applying this. Right, so that's it, it's on, as you can clearly see it's on. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes, and I'm not sure what it's meant to do. I don't know if this dries to one of the firm masks that you can't move your face because it's all stiff, or whether it's going to say sort of whether it's going to stay soft and pliable. I really don't know, but I'll be back in 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up, and it's one of those that definitely dries hard and you can't move your mouth. I think I've got a little patch here where it hasn't dried, a few little patches, but maybe I applied it a bit too thick in those areas. So I'm going to take it off now. I'm just going to use the cloth to take the rest off. Oh, it feels squeaky clean, I know that. I think I've got everything now. It looks to me like it's all off. I need to get this towel off my head as well. But, that feels so smooth. I don't know if it's one or the other or a combination of using them all together. It has to be a combination of working all three together that do the best job, I would imagine. But it feels lovely. It really does feel nice. And I would definitely recommend it. Now, how much did I pay for this? Right at the end of this video, I will put up the prices that I paid for these, because off the top of my head, I cannot remember. An absolute bargain. You see, you don't have to pay a fortune for skincare, do you? If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe and press the notification bell. Until then, see you later. Bye now. Bye.